My actual work, back in 2007 or 8, I got my master's in social work. And I've worked in geriatrics actually for almost 30 years. And my senior year in high school, I was part of a program called Social Lab, which probably many of the students still do at Wissahickon. And my very first volunteer position was at the Artman Lutheran Home, which I loved. And I worked with the activities department mainly. And from there, I progressed into other departments too. But it made me fall in love with geriatrics, and I continued to work with geriatrics for many decades. So I got my master's degree and did social work in geriatrics for quite a while. But I missed doing activities, so I got an associate's degree or certification in therapeutic recreation and was hired here at Meadowood Community, where I solely do activity programs. The kinds of programs we do, as you've seen, are exercise, we do volleyball, we do trivia, which stimulates cognitive stimulation. I wrote for a while for the Inquirer, and I would write stuff geared about disability issues. So I wrote an article about dance, and I wrote an article about body image. And I write for other organizations too that I'm with. I'm with Amnesty International, and I've done writings for them. I'm with an organization called United Spinal Association, which is for people predominantly with spinal cord injuries. And I have it's called Mobile Monday on Facebook, and so I look for different organizations, different kinds of exciting things out there in the world that is making life more accessible for people with disabilities. I started doing some research of dance, and that led me to the Carden Institute of Performing Arts for people with disabilities. And I danced with Carden for about 13 to 15 years, took a little hiatus once Carden ended their programs, and founded American Dance Wheels. And I've been with them now for about 6-7 years. And I have performed with them mainly in Philadelphia and the surrounding area. So.